I actually started making a vlog which is about packing light, but I actually had to pay an excess of 800 pesos because I overpacked. So I guess that vlog is completely useless now, but I'm still gonna go ahead and make it because I worked so hard on it. But now, Alam is gonna vlog. He's gonna start vlogging. You can go check him out at
English, my gosh. Hey guys, I'm okay Jiva.
What's your YouTube? Angela Maran. Okay, you can go follow them. And now I'm gonna go eat my breakfast sandwich and have my coffee, or else I'll get really cranky. So I'll see you guys. Okay, so I actually got hooked up. My friend works for Pacific and she gave me the front seat by the window. So I'm so excited. And I will show you guys and I will vlog this. We just landed in Manila. It's park at the back, which is weird. And while we're waiting for someone else to come, and then we're gonna go to our hotel. So Tagalog starts now. Good luck. How's your Tagalog?
My Tagalog is okay. It's English.
How's your Tagalog?
Nah, zero.
Zero. Ikaw?
Okay, tsaka mo Bisaya.
Exactly. Ikaw, tata, kamusta yung Tagalog? Okay, ah? Good luck na to, tanan.
Mag-reread kami. Kasama ni Bel. Belko. Si Belko.
Wala ba mag-perform sa inyo?
Manila traffic is like...
Mag-perform ka.
RJ.
Si RJ, oh my God.
Ay, oo nga, si RJ. Oh, what song? Parang
RJ Mami.
Alam na sa kaya.
RJ, anong song? Anong song?
Tell me one thing nothing but love. Hi!
Miss, ano yung
Okay ka na? Hi!
Hi. So traffic here in
I know. I know the traffic is like, I will not survive. It is 4:44. We're still really far away
Gano'n ko na cash, miss. 5K.
Hi! Oh my God! And
Don't like my pay. I don't like my pay.
kapag lumingon ka, akin ka challenge!
Yes! Okay, may gawa na tayo video.
First up is Alan Garcia.
Ito, hindi mo tanaw. Di na nalilingo gamay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Okay, I'm sorry.
Next.
Failed in the
Next.
pag lumingon ka, akin ka challenge!
Balik. 1, 2, 3, go! Kapag lumingon... 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and go! Kapag lumingon ka, akin ka challenge!
Our
Yes!
next contestant is Clark.
Go, Clark!
Go, Clark! Kantok mo!
Go!
Mas, sige na siya.
Ayan na, busy na lang. So it's already 6 and it feels like we've been on the road for ilan na oras? 4 hours, but it feels like we've been sitting down for a lot more than that. And we've made a bet that we'll arrive at our hotel at a certain time, and Clark said we'll get there at 7:30. I say 8. RJ, what time did you say? What time did you get?
7:45.
8. Kitty is sleeping. And 7:30. So when you're stuck in the traffic, you also have
The one who guesses it right will pay for dinner.
yeah. You can also play what time will we get there, and whoever loses gets to pay for dinner. So we're here, and there's a Taco Bell. Yes, we're finally here. I'm so hungry.
Hi!
What time is it?
It's 6:38 and we just arrived here in Hong Kong!
Yeah. Okay. So, huh?
I think we have the wrong place.
Oh, we have the wrong place. Okay. Hi everyone, we just got to our room and I'm bunking with Angela! Hi. So this is our room. We are currently at your hotel in Cubao, or Cubao, I don't know how to say it. But we're here and it's pretty nice so far. So this is our room. We're only 2 people, but we have an extra bed. And so this is what it looks like. It's pretty good, pretty impressive. We have closet space, which is important. And this is the bathroom. Here. Hi. I was gonna do an OOTD. I was gonna shoot a video, which was supposed to be part of the plan for today, but we were on the road for like 4 hours and there just wasn't enough time. So there. And there we go. This is the bathroom. There. And it has a little tab. So, oh shit! Oh, sorry. I didn't, what ko nakasa? Wala ako rin na-push ang door. So, right now we're just gonna go get settled in for a bit. And then we're gonna go have dinner. So, hala pa dong naging kumanuktok sa inyong kwarto. Let's go. Let's go back, Carlo. Hi! Oh, you're in Manila! We are at Taco Bell. Yes, and I couldn't be happier. Alright, so let's go. Line up, line up, line up. Yes, yes. Now we're done with dinner and we are at, what is this place? Why isn't it focusing? And now we're at Dairy Queen. Hold on. Dairy Queen. I don't really like sweets because I'm pre-diabetic, but I might just get one thing. What you getting? I'm getting the regular cone.